studying time, is it? Here.
There you go. Okay, on your back.
The little one's going too fast.
Yeah. Is it yours?
Oh, yeah.
I don't know. We gotta get her adjusted. It's been a few weeks. Okay, good. Okay, raise your right arm up and adjust. Get this side. Get some rest, right?
Trying to.
You exercising?
When I'm at home, I'm stretching with her, but I haven't been able to make
Stretching with her?
Well, she sits in a jumper,
Or
I
you-
sit on the floor and stretch.